Hey guys, what's up? It's me, JFTHGR, or FNAF Boy, as you'd call, and currently I'm at my grandma's apartment, again, just like the pig. It's because, well, Mom dropped me off just to hang out, and something arrived. And it was this. The bird. The big red bird. The last one I was waiting for. Now, let's get to going into this bad boy, shall we? So, see you there. Okay, sorry about that. I just got a little carried away. So, let's get into this thing. Oh, the back of the bird. Good thing for me, I brought scissors. These scissors suck. Oh well, hopefully it'll do. Yep, it's the bird. It's the bird, alright. Hold on, I'm gonna put this down. Let me see. Is this okay? Yeah, they see it just fine. Okay, keep going now. So, oh, baby. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my. Oh, wait. And it makes sounds. Perfect. Yes. Alrighty. Well then. This is the bird. Yeah. I've been waiting for this for quite a long time. Now to review this bad boy. Okay, now to review this big boy. Yeah, if you're wondering why I have better qualities, because I'm recording with my grandma's phone, not my tablet. Because I didn't bring it. And I realize now I should have brought it. Yeah, there's the big tail. And the really tiny tag. Head feathers. Yes, he makes sound. It's in there. It's in there. Yep. This big guy makes sounds, while the big pig doesn't. Yeah. It was the 16-inch red bird. The eyes, they're just wow. The embroidery feels really nice. The bird itself is really soft. The beak, of course, and the underbelly. Yeah, this is the very first 16-inch plush, Angry Birds plush that I did. I originally did, my very first 16-inch, as you saw, was the Minion Pig. And, yeah. This bird would pretty much be the mighty red bird. Shoutouts to my amino friend with the same name, Mighty Redbird. Shout out to that guy. He's cool. If get amino, get in the Angry Birds community and follow him because that guy is awesome. So, yeah, it's the 16-inch red bird. It sounds like it's sort of like plastic inside his eyes. Yeah. But of course, the big red bird's made with the same materials and all that. Wow. Jeez, about those orders when they said that they got him in the wrong size, well, I was the lucky one that got him this good size. Well, to prove that I'm at my grandma's, here's one of the dolls, the plushes that my grandma has. So here's that standing up next to it, the red bird. Almost the same height. And, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, here's Olaf. Although Olaf is obviously bigger, but he's not as heavy. Yes, I showed this to my grandma, and my uncle. And they were surprised about this guy's weight. This guy has some serious weight to him. So
Oink!